Hello everyone. If you're using MikroTik routers and wondering which VPN protocol is the best, then this video is for you. Today I'll compare the most popular MikroTik VPN protocols, including WireGuard, IPsec, L2TP, IPsec, OpenVPN, SSTP, and PPTP. I'll explain the speed, security, compatibility, and best use cases so you can choose the right VPN for your network. Let's get started. What is a VPN? A VPN, or virtual private network, creates an encrypted tunnel between two devices over the internet. It protects your data from hackers, secures remote access, and allows branch offices to communicate safely. Let's start with PPTP. PPTP is one of the oldest VPN protocols. The biggest advantage is that it is very easy to configure and offers good speed. However, the encryption is considered broken and insecure. Because of its security weaknesses, PPTP should not be used in production environments. Recommendation: avoid using PPTP unless it is required for legacy devices. L2TP with IPsec. The next protocol is L2TP combined with IPsec. L2TP itself does not provide encryption, so IPsec is added for security. Advantages include broad compatibility with Windows, macOS, Android, and iPhone. The disadvantages are slower performance than WireGuard and more complicated configuration. Recommendation: a good choice if you need maximum compatibility with different operating systems. IPsec. Now let's talk about IPsec. IPsec is one of the most secure VPN technologies available. Large companies often use IPsec for connecting branch offices. Advantages: very secure, excellent for site-to-site VPNs. Enterprise standard. Disadvantages: configuration is more complex. Troubleshooting can take longer. Recommendation: best for branch office connections and enterprise networks. OpenVPN. Next is OpenVPN. OpenVPN is popular because it works almost everywhere and offers strong security. It can bypass many firewalls and is widely supported. However, on MikroTik, OpenVPN does not support every feature available on Linux or Windows implementations, and performance is generally lower than WireGuard. Recommendation: use OpenVPN when compatibility with existing OpenVPN infrastructure is important. SSTP. SSTP is another secure VPN protocol. It uses HTTPS over TCP port 443. Because it uses the same port as secure websites, it can often pass through restrictive firewalls. Advantages: secure, firewall-friendly, works well on Windows. Disadvantages: not as widely supported on all platforms as WireGuard or IPsec. Recommendation: a good option when users connect from networks that block other VPN protocols. WireGuard. Finally, WireGuard. WireGuard has become one of the most popular VPN protocols in recent years. It uses modern cryptography, has a very simple configuration, and delivers outstanding performance. Advantages: extremely fast, lightweight, strong security, easy to configure, excellent for remote workers. Disadvantages: some advanced enterprise scenarios may still rely on IPsec because of long-established deployments and interoperability requirements. Recommendation: for most new MikroTik deployments, WireGuard is the best overall choice. Final comparison: if your priority is maximum speed, choose WireGuard. If you need enterprise site-to-site VPNs, choose IPsec. If you require compatibility with many operating systems, L2TP, IPsec is a solid option. If your organization already uses OpenVPN infrastructure, OpenVPN can be appropriate. If you're connecting from restrictive networks that block many VPN types, SSTP is worth considering. Avoid PPTP because it is no longer considered secure. If your priority is maximum speed, choose WireGuard. If you need enterprise site-to-site VPNs, choose IPsec. If you require compatibility with many operating systems, L2TP, IPsec is a solid option. If your organization already uses OpenVPN infrastructure, OpenVPN can be appropriate. If you're connecting from restrictive networks that block many VPN types, SSTP is worth considering. Avoid PPTP because it is no longer considered secure. My recommendation for most MikroTik users today: number 1, WireGuard. Number 2, IPsec. Number 3, L2TP, IPsec. Number 4, SSTP. Number 5, OpenVPN. Last, PPTP. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell. Also, let me know in the comments which VPN protocol you are using on your MikroTik router. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.